What's good, and good morning from Canada. Happy belated Canada Day. Yesterday was Canada Day, so shout out to all my Canadians. Love you guys, and all of you in all the other countries. Yeah, you're just okay. Jokes. I love you guys too. So we're gonna go over Bitcoin, guys. Before we get into this, I want to let you guys know Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, I will be on planes and in airports on layovers. I was only supposed to fly Monday, Tuesday. One of my flights got canceled and screwing up everything because you need to get COVID tests up the nose within 72 hours, and it's messing up my life. So hopefully everything goes smoothly, but most likely you won't see any videos from me Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday because I'll be in airports and on planes. So I just want to let you guys know. So currently we're sitting at 32, almost 33K. That head and shoulders did play out, that we'll get into here. So on the day, we're currently down 0.09, and we're sitting at a market cap of 617 billion, and the 24-hour volume is basically 34 billion here. So let's hop into it. I wanted to start here on the daily. Now we're still having the bullish divergence that I have been covering here on the channel. So keep an eye on that, guys, because we're continuing to have higher highs and higher lows here on the RSI, but lower lows and lower highs on the chart, which is a bullish divergence. You can see here on the daily, I'm just going to quickly take out the RSI, that we came up, we hit resistance on the 20 EMA, and we rolled over. Remember, guys, we need to get back above the 20 EMA to be in an uptrend. If we're hitting as a resistance, we're in a downtrend. Now, I want to quickly show you this here on the weekly. We are still holding the 55 EMA. But if we start to lose it, it's not a great sign, guys, especially if we lose 28K. Our next level of support is down here at 24K. I can show it to you here on the daily. Previous swing high down here at 24K. So it's becoming crunch time here for Bitcoin, because if we start to come down to these levels, and especially if we lost 24K, we would start to enter into a bear market here. So keep an eye on this level of support, 28K, as well as keep an eye on the 55 EMA here on the weekly. So let's jump into the 4-hour chart. Sorry guys, I bumped my mic a couple times with my what am I wearing here? I'm wearing flip-flops. So we had our head and shoulders pattern. I talked about is if this right shoulder forms and you start to break this neckline at about 34,133, go short. And I did enter some short trades. I'll pop them up on the screen here. Guys, if you want to trade with me, I highly suggest signing up to Bybit through my referral. You receive up to $600 in bonuses. I've also created a full-length tutorial on how to trade with leverage, which will be tagged in the description as well as at the end of the video. So do check that out. So you can see here we're back underneath the EMAs. We've had the bearish cross. We didn't get enough volume here, and we had a bit of a fake out, and we just rolled over. So I'm going to pop it open onto the hourly chart to show you guys your levels of support here. All right, guys, so we're here on the hourly chart, and you can see we're hitting a lot of resistance here on the 20 EMA. So I'm going to drop in this level of support. Let me zoom out a bit here. Yeah, right about here. So you can see the support in this area, some support here. You can see right here where these wicks came down to. Hold on, let me pop it open to the 4-hour just so it's more visible for you guys. So you can see support here, support here, support here as well. I hate when I do that. And then we have support here. See the wicks in this area, as well as support here. So I think that would be a level where we could potentially bounce. We are in a downtrend, and always remember that the trend is your friend, but we'll drop it in here. It's at about 32,497. So let's quickly pull out our Fibonacci. I'm going to pull it back to the 1-hour chart. Let's quickly take our Fibonacci. Since we've reversed the trend here, you can go swing low up to your swing high, and let's see if it lines up. Yeah, see how closely it lines up with that level of support I dropped in for you guys right here. And that level is the golden ratio, guys. So it would be crucial for us to hold support, because if we do lose that level of support, we're reversing the trend. We come back down to where we started, about 30K, and the 1.272 is all the way down, very close to our bottom here at 28,514. All right, guys. Now our technical target from our head and shoulders is down here at 31K. So it is looking more bearish in my opinion, due to the fact that our technical target is at 31K. We would break the golden ratio, which would be a reversal in the trend, and we would head back down to at least 30K, back to where we started, and possibly 28,514. Now, guys, I will go over the bullish scenario. If you see us come down and we hold a strong level of support at the 618, or we come up and we hold the support of the 0.5 on the Fibonacci here at about 33,242, and we bounce, I'll give you some quick levels of resistance at 35,000 and 36,678. The bearish scenario is more probable. Right now, we're back underneath the EMAs. We never saw that increase in volume. We're in a downtrend. We have our technical target from our head and shoulders down here at 31K. Now, that doesn't mean we can't bounce off one of these levels. Of course, the bullish scenario is still a possibility. It's just the bearish scenario is more probable due to the chart patterns and due to the fact we're in a downtrend and we're back underneath the EMAs. So your technical target from that head and shoulders is 31,692. And if we do come down to that, I do think we'll come back down to 30K and possibly back down to 28,514. Due to the fact that we would have broken the golden ratio. And if we do bounce off the 0.5 or the 0.618, your levels of resistance are here at 35K and 36,678. All right, guys, that's it for this one. I hope you guys got some value. There's money to be made on the way up and on the way down as a trader. Make sure to check out my tutorial, which will be linked at the end of this video. All right, much love. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter. Check out the Discord, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.